Freecom 4 Plus. That is it. This thing is a perfect intercom, but when you are riding, it's easy to lose it on its way, because when you move with your fingers, with your gloves, the buttons, and you touch this one, then it's go, and you lose them. So it's a lot of money, and of course it's not good to lose them. I have made something which is preventing lose it. Is this clip. This clip, you push them on. I have a red one, so you can better see, and you put them in this way into it, and you never lose them again. It's not moving. The lips here is fixed forever, and you can use a piece of rope and you fix them to the clip, and if it's moving it, look, hoppakee, is still here, and you can pull them away for charging it. That's all. If you are interested, send me a message, and I can send you this one. Thank you very much. Bye bye.